What's up, adventurers? Let's check out another backpack. Today we're going to be looking at the Horizn Studios Sofo travel backpack. This is the first time I'm looking at this backpack, so we're going to be discovering the features together. Let's start on the back. The straps are kind of padded, a little bit airy. Let's try it on. They are okay. I wouldn't say they're the cushiest straps I've tried, but they're not the worst. There is no sternum strap or waist strap here, but it does sit nice and comfortable. It has a luggage pass-through strap here, which is nice if you are traveling a lot with it. And there's some zippers, so let's see what this opens up. That's kind of interesting. So this top half unzips, and there is some organization here. There's two elastic pockets and a zippered pocket on this side. I do like the hidden pockets or ones that are against your back when you're traveling, because you can keep your documents, passport here, and you know that if it's on your back, you don't really have to worry about it being pickpocketed obviously as much because it's right against your back. With that said, it probably could still happen, so always be careful when you're traveling and be aware of your surroundings. Moving to the sides of the bags, there are two small zippered sections. So they just open up as regular zippered organization areas. I don't know if you can carry a water bottle here, so let's try that really quick. This side has a keyring hook thing, which probably means this side's not really meant for the water bottle, although you might be able to fit it anyways. But let's see what it would look like. This is a 40-ounce Hydro Flask bottle. It does fit here. It's a little bit wary because it's not as deep, so you know, if you're leaning over, it could tip, but it works. And I guess if you're not carrying the water bottle, you're able to just zip it up and organize some more items. I prefer to have a dedicated water bottle pocket rather than have the extra organization. I just don't feel super secure with this. On the front, there's one more zippered area here on the bottom, and it opens to just a general organization area. There's one more pocket on the flap of the backpack, small. That's the size of the pocket. Small items, headphones, chapstick. Let's open up the inside. It has two buckles to open the flap. And then the backpack is a drawstring. Once you open it up, it is just a black hole. It goes all the way to the bottom, but it is spacious. Now this is a little bit annoying to get into my bag. It's actually double drawstringed so that you could pack it even with more capacity. You got the top one and the bottom. But let's put this flap back on because I saw something else, or another way to access the bag that I didn't notice before. You can also access the backpack through a giant zippered section on the back. So here you have the laptop, nice and padded, doesn't go all the way to the bottom so that your laptop doesn't smash against the ground when you slide it in. There's a little Velcro secure holding area. There's a small zippered section to organize some of your cables. It is see-through, kind of. And on the flip side, there's another zipper to actually access the inside of your backpack. This does have a zipper, I guess double zippered, because you'd have to unzip that whole thing and then unzip this section. Now this gives you a better look at what the inside of the backpack looks like. It's nice and open, very spacious. I would definitely organize with some packing cubes in there, but it's nice to have that option to open this way as well. Overall, it's okay. It's not my backpack of choice. I definitely look for something that I can carry in camera gear and have easy access to. As a general travel backpack, if you like kind of that rucksack look, but with more modern material, this is a good option. There is plenty of organization, lots of small zippered pockets. I think my only other Main complaint would be the water bottle area. I'm just not sure how secure that would be. And again, because I carry camera gear, oftentimes I use that water bottle pocket to carry a tripod, but there are no straps up top to secure that in, so I wouldn't be able to do that here. One great thing is Horizn Studios is all about sustainability, so a lot of their products are made with recycled material. If you want to see the full specs of this bag, I linked to it below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if there are other bags you want me to check out, let me know as well. Otherwise, happy adventuring.